And today also we are going to start the topic laws of indices. And here in this class, today we are going to solve more questions related to laws of indices. Okay, and here it goes like this. And first of all, I want to repeat once again the laws of indices, and you should know about it. X to the power m into x to the power n equals to, it will be x to the power m plus n. When divided, then we have to subtract the power, m minus n will be, base will be same. And power, again whole power, then this power and whole power will be multiplied. And next one, if x to the power 0, then its value will be 1. If not only x to the power 0, if number powers 0, it gives 1 value, okay? And how it comes, I have told you before also, and I want to repeat today also. X power 0 means y1. As I told you, x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5 means this, we used to do like this, cancelling by 1, and its answer will be 1. And now by following the rule of these laws of indices, we have to subtract the power. Then x power 0, it means what? Questions are same, then answers should be also same. That's why x power 0 equals to 1. And now next one, x to the power negative power, then we have to write this down, and numerator will be 1. 1 by x to the power m. And square root x, then it means x to the power 1 by 2. As I told you, its order will be 2 here. That's why it's x to the power 1 by 2. X to the power 1, and when you cancel this radical sign, it will be by 2. Okay, chale, now I am moving to the next one. Here in simplify, when x to a to the power 4 and whole power 5, in this case we have to multiply 4 and 5, then its answer will be a to the power 4 into 5, that means a to the power 20. Okay, similarly let's do other questions as your classwork, and please tell me the answer. Okay, I'll see. Mitali, also please tell the answer. Okay, this one, this two question solution. What will be the answer of this question number 1? You solve n. Okay.
सर यो क्लासवर्क हो त्यो मुनिको 2
Yeah,
3
this is the
4
classwork. Please do now. Do this classwork. Everybody should do in copy, okay?
Sir,
Those who have
16, sir, 16, sir,
A to the
16
power
86.
6.
a to the power 8,
Sir, 16
power,
86.
power and whole power will be multiplied. No 6, okay? 2 and 4 will be multiplied, okay? And let's do this 3 number. Minus 3 will be multiplied 3 times. Minus 3 power 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 27 it will be. And m
Sir,
to the power.
minus 27, M9.
Okay.
Sir, and third number 64, M9, N6.
Very good, very good. Now I am moving to the next slide, and it goes like this.
सर एकैछिन
Okay, okay, I'm waiting.
सर -3 को त्यो होल क्युब छ नि
Yeah, minus 3 whole cube, it will be
सर
minus
-3
27.
into -3 गर्ने हो कि -3 into 3
20,
into 3 गर्ने हो
Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 means minus 27 will be there. Minus 3 we have to multiply 3 times. And next one, look here. I am moving to the next slide. Here's the example, look here. When you remove this bracket, it will be 4 cube and a to the power 6. And when you remove this bracket, it will be a to the power 3 to the 6, okay? Then 4 cube means we know 64 and a to the power
Sir,
6, and it will be 64 a to the power 6 plus 6, then power added. This is red one, this multiply sign that I have put here, and its answer will be 64 a to the power 12. And let's do this classwork also similar to the example. This example, as I have solved in example, same thing follow here to do this classwork and tell me the answer.
sir, A12, B10, A12, B10,
Very, very good. Who is speaking?
A12, 10.
You have told correct answer. Very good. I am moving to the next one.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
please.
Okay, sir, so easy.
sir, त्यो 4 को माथि 3 कहाँबाट आयो?
Look, this bracket, look no
The
bracket.
question,
Well, whole bracket means this is the cube of 4 also. This is the cube of 4 also, this is the cube of a square also. Bracket means whole is whole, that one. This is the 3 is the power of 4 also. 3 is the power of a square also. Understood?
सर VI का आंसर क्या आउँछ?
Sorry?
सर VI को आन्सर के आउँछ?
Okay, VI answer it
A-
will be a to the power.
A12, B10.
Yeah, a to the
A12,
power
B10.
12 and b to the power 10. Very good.
A
Here
to
is
the power and B.
a to the power 6 and a to the power 6 will be added. There is no power is added.
A12 B.
A to the power 12 and b to the power 10.
सर त्यो माथिको त्यो 64 a6 into a6 पछि त्यो 6 plus 6 कसरी आयो?
Because same base we have to
त्यो
add the
multiply
power.
पछि plus हुन्छ है.
If you multiply the
Multiply
one
ma
base
plus
and
हुन्छ.
power is added, okay?
सर त्यो पावर डिफरेन्ट भएको भए पनि एड गर्न मिल्थ्यो?
Yes, power different also we can
Yes, base same हुनुपर्छ.
add. If base same, then power we can add, okay? Different powers will be added. If here is 2, here is 3, then 2 plus 3 we have to do 5. Are you clear today now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am moving to the next one slide. It is 6 to the power how much there is? Look, 2 whole power, that means, and x to the power 4 and also power 2. Power and whole power will be multiplied. Y to the power 5 will be multiplied with 2. Here also look here, 4 power 3 and x to the power 2 also whole power 3, and y cube again whole power 3. Okay, first of all remove the bracket. Like this you put in upon, okay, fraction. Remove the bracket first. And when you remove the bracket, it will be like this, okay? 6 square means 36 and 4 cube means 64. And 36 and 64 cancel. 9 4s are and 16 4s are. And same base, divide means we have to write only one base and subtract the power. When you subtract the power, 8 minus 6. And y power 10 and y power 9, and 10 minus 9 means 1. It will be 9 by 16, x square y to the power 1. Are you clear, children, this one?
Yes, sir.
If there is any difficulty, please ask me, I will explain. Hello, Kusal, are you clear about this solution?
सर त्यो सर
Yes, please tell.
त्यो y1 चाहिँ कसरी भयो?
Y to the power 1. 10 minus 9
10
means what?
10 minus
10 minus 9
1.
means 1. Okay.
Oh, yes sir, okay.
Okay, now I am moving to the
So
next.
one नलेखे पनि हुन्छ हैन?
Okay, 1 is not compulsory to write. In every number there will be 1 as a power, okay? In every letter there will be 1 as a power. Okay, Asta?
Okay, sir.
Now look here. I am moving to the next one. Let's solve this classwork. First of all, remove the bracket. This divide means you can write upon. By you can write line draw, okay? M power, how much it will be? M power 12. 4 3 is 12. And N power it will be
4
minus 2
into
it will be
3.
here. Minus 6 it will be, okay? And upon M to the power 2 only here and M to the power minus 3. And solve it. They will be written in the fraction
Sir,
and
M8. M power 8.
M
Sir, M
power
power
8. Very good. And N power?
8.
N power also 8. N power will be not 8 there.
Sir, N power no. Sir, cancel हुन्छ sir 0. के
No.
हुँदैन sir? M power 8 मात्र हो answer.
N power is there. Look, N power up there is 6, minus 6 and down minus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3 will be there. N power will come minus 3. This is the power of 3 of that. Minus 2 and 3 multiply first. Minus 6 will be there. And when minus 6 then minus 3 will come up, then plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 means N to the power minus 3 it will
Sir,
be.
M10 N9.
No 9. No 9.
सर उ त्यो हुन्छ नि सर सर -6 माथि -6 भयो तल -6 भयो अनि माथि लाँदाखेरि त एउटा +6 हुन्छ एउटा -6 हुन्छ नि प्लस माइनस काटिन्छ नि सर
No, not above. Look here. This N power minus 3 only goes up. Minus 6 up and down there is N to the power minus 3. Up is N to the power minus 6. Down is N to the power minus 3. Minus 6 then when minus 3 comes up it will be plus. Minus 6 plus 3 means minus 3 will be there. N to the power minus 3 will be there. Okay, children?
Sir, बुझेन.
Look, first of all, remove the
क्या
bracket.
आउँछ
This one.
answer?
First of all, I am telling again. Look here. M to
Sir,
the
answer
power
क्या आउँछ?
M to the power 12. Very first. M to the power 12 and N to the power minus 6. Up it will be M to
सर
the
न्यू
power.
स्लाइडमा गरे देखाइदिनु न
Okay. Look here.
सर एन
सर
सर
मेरो
m to the
त
power
n to
10
the
to
power
the power
10
3
and
हो
n to the minus 3 आयो त मेरो त.
I want to tell, look here, orally one first. First, remove the bracket of upper one. What will be? M to the power 4 into 3 means what? 12.
12.
And minus 2.
सर गरेर देखा.
Okay, I am telling you, look here first. Minus 2 and 3, what will be?
भनेर बुझ्दैन सर अनि.
Okay. Now listen. Look here. Are you looking? Everybody look here on the screen.
सर
Yes, sir.
Are you looking? m
Sir, we are
power
seeing.
m power
Yes, sir.
12, m power 12, and n power what will be there?
N power
N
minus
power minus
6
6.
होला.
Minus 6 only, not whole. There is okay. This is your one. And upon, are you looking?
Sir, seeing.
Sir.
M power 2, look here. 2, and there will be n power minus 3.
Sir, answer will come m to the power 10 and n to the power minus 3.
That I am telling one same thing. Okay, look here. Are you looking my solution or not? Now it will be n to the
Yes,
power.
sir.
Yes,
It will be
sir.
n to the
We
power.
are
What will be now
seeing.
here?
I am seeing.
12. 12 minus what will be there? 2. And n to the power minus 6 and minus, and bracket you will do there, minus 3. It will go up, minus 3.
3.
Are you looking? And it
Yes, sir.
equals to what will be there? M 12 minus 2 what will be there?
Pardon.
10.
10. It will be 10 here. And n to the power what will be now? Minus 6
Minus 3.
plus 3 will be there. Minus plus.
Sir, answer will be. I was saying the answer.
Yeah, your answer will be now m to the power 10 and n to the power
Minus 3.
Or you can take this down also. Power negative, then you can take it down. Okay, children? It will be m to the power 10 by n to the power
3.
3. This is the answer. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am moving to the next one. Mitali, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do this one. Look here. Here also that we have to open the bracket first. Remove the bracket first. Then it will be like this. Power and whole power will be multiplied. And when negative one, look here, it goes up. It will be plus. Minus into minus is plus now. Minus 6 plus 20 means x to the power 14. And down. Why I have taken this 10 down? Do you know? You know that wherever there is the bigger power, it goes there, only to subtract. 12 is bigger. 12 is bigger, that's why this 10 has come down to subtract. If 12 was up, then it will go up to subtract. Okay? Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Now let's do this work as my class work. Look, what I tell you, look here, eh? First of all, you write this.
Sir, पहिले त divide गर्ने हैन?
Yes, first of all, do this one. First of all, write like this. This multiply, write up, okay? And whole upon you can
Sir,
write this.
16 upon 9 a square before.
Yeah, this whole upon you can write this down one. And you can solve it easily. First of all, what I tell you, this write up multiply 1 and long line draw and upon write 6a power 5 b cube and whole power 6. Okay? You can do it.
Sir, answer is 16 by 9 a square before.
Okay, in difficulties, okay, you can ask me in the next class also. Okay, so then I am moving to the next one.
So I have done.
Good. Today show this solution or you will do?
So class finished.
Yes, today's class this much only, and
So done.
remaining question we will do in next one. Have you done question like this or not?
Sir, 10 number.
Yeah, this number, 9 number and 10 number. 10 number, have you done?
Yes, sir. 16 and 9 square before a power
Okay.
2 b power 4.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Oh.
Have you done?
सर त्यहाँ के अरे 6 प्लस 20 भयो सर त्यो के अरे 9 नम्बरमा 6 प्लस 20 भनेपछि 26 हुन्छ होइन अनि 14 कसरी भयो
Okay, here
त्यहाँ अगाडि माइनस छ नि त
20 minus 6 means
अनि
14.
त्यो
Minus, minus,
त्यो
plus.
माइनस प्लस
No. 20 is plus.
सर अनि त्यो प्लस छ नि
Minus
त
plus answer plus
20 minus
माइनस प्लस माइनस
20 minus 6 means 14. Minus 6 plus 20 means 14. That because 20 is bigger, 20 will be up and down will be minus 6. 20 minus 6. Okay, children?
सर अनि
please.
त्यो के सर
Yes.
त्यो के अरे माइनस 6 को सट्टा 6 भएको भए 26 आउँथ्यो हो
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Minus
Okay.
6 and minus 20, then it will be
Oh.
minus 26. Okay, children, now?
ओके सर
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And today this much only. Please do this in fair copy, okay?
Okay,
And-
sir.
And remember that these all the classes you can watch it whenever you need. I have kept in the video also, okay? And whenever you want, you can watch it and practice it, okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Today this much only. Bye bye and have a good day and keep practicing mathematics.
Okay, sir.